Hi guys. So we're getting lots of questions around interest rate mortgage or mortgage interest rates and whether you should fix or whether you should not fix. And with the tracker rate increases over the last couple of months, and there's a lot of chat of that the interest rates are going to continue to rise, and people are starting to get a little concerned. So we just wanted to clarify some things as to whether switching is a good idea, whether bouncing into a fixed rate is a good idea. So there are a number of things to consider before you would do that. One, if you're on a fixed rate at the minute, you need to check in with your lender to see, is there a fee for getting out of that? So if you're in a fixed and you want to buy a cheaper fixed or you want to buy a longer fixed, then check in with your lender first. See, is there a fee to get out of the fixed arrangement that you're in? And also, what will they offer you? And then speak with a broker and see, what does the market say? What can you get in the open market? And is your current provider providing a comparable product? If not, then switching providers could be the way to go. Not always the way to go, but could be the way to go. If you're in a variable rate currently, the question is, do you fix? One, it'll depend on what your variable rate is. The variable rates themselves haven't increased with all lenders yet. The trackers rate have, but variable rates have not. So again, check in with your lender, see what they're offering, check in with a broker, a good mortgage broker, see what's on the open market and see what you can get, and see then, do you want to stay with the current provider or do you want to switch providers altogether to get your fixed rate? Is it a good idea to fix? Yes, it is at the minute, but you do need a lot of information before you take that decision. The big question, and one that's worrying a lot of people, is if you have a tracker mortgage, should you now fix? And the answer to that is not always. So a couple of things that you need to do here is, one, speak with your current provider. Two questions that you're going to ask them. What is the other products that they can offer you? And second of all, if you now fix for a period of time, will they re-offer the tracker to you when that fixed rate is over? Some lenders will and some lenders won't, but that is a very important question, is will they give you back the tracker if you choose to go into a fixed rate at this point? If they don't give you back the tracker, then you consider very carefully whether you want to move out of your tracker rate mortgage altogether. Again, take advice. Pay for advice, guys. If you're not paying your mortgage broker for advice, the mortgage broker more than likely will only deal with banks that pay him commission or them commission. And you have to consider, if they're not paying for advice, are they trying to sell a product or are they giving you advice? Advice is key here. Switching is not always the right idea. Moving into a fixed rate isn't always the right idea, even though everybody tells you at the minute it is. And for the majority of people, probably it is. But seek advice, guys. Take your time. Don't rush decisions. Get all the information. Seek advice. Get onto a good mortgage broker. Sit down and have a chat. But talk to your existing lender as well. Get all the information. Make an informed choice. Any questions? We're here to help, guys. Give us a shout if you have anything on it. Any other questions or queries or concerns? Don't hesitate to give us a call. Bye for now.